Hey team, what's up? Today we do this fun painting of fall mountain evergreens. Today on STUDIO-214.
Are you ready? Grab a brush.
Give me a hell! Give me a yeah! Let's paint right now!
Yeah, so I got a new camera and I didn't know how to use it, and this first minute or so sucks and is out of focus. Stay with us, it gets better. Trust me, and thanks for sticking around. This painting is going on a theme that is very similar but different to the mountain painting from a week or so ago. Links are in the description. I want to show depth and the beautiful colors of a fall mountainside. I love the fall. It is my favorite season. I want the mountains to look far back, so I'm dropping the value and putting blue in the mix. Not too many details. Them closer trees are still far off, so I just let the fan brush do its thing. I will have to be more thoughtful with the fan brush for the up-close foreground evergreen trees. I want to give them a nice dark background to contrast their evergreen qualities, mainly them being green. That gray thing is going to be a rock. These trees are going to be growing in the mountain at the top of the clearing. You guys, I'm just playing with color and trying to give our brother Rock some dignity. I love rock. I love rock, I love rock. And what are rocks?
Rock's friends.
That's right, buddy. Rocks are our amigos. So spend some time on them and make them pretty. Our brother friend Rock deserves it. Don't you think? Honestly, I kind of struggle with my rocks nowadays, and I often end up using a palette knife to get it done. It works, but on my lifelong journey of improvement, I intend to get real handy with my brushes and not need a knife. What about y'all? Do you use knives? Or do you prefer brushes? Or do you mix the two? Let me know in the comments. And now it's time to throw in them trees. I want them nice and thick. And while the paint is still wet, I use a little bit of titanium white and let it mix with the dark green to get a mix of midtones, highlight, and shadow. Man, I sure hope you guys are digging the music. I write it all for this channel to accompany these here videos. I put out new tunes every Monday. Music Monday! Be there! Seriously though, check out this sick track. Links are in the description. Rock in E on STUDIO-214. I want behind the trees to be a bit darker. Then I'm going to add some shadow back into the trees. And now, we must have a sacrifice.
We want shrubbery! A what?
A shrubbery.
One that looks nice and not too expensive. Now, go!
Yeah, so get them shrubberies in there. Make them pretty, but not too much. They fill the scene in and appease the Knights of Knee. And that's something we can all get on board with. Well, hey team, I think we're done for today. I had fun. I hope you did too. Here's what we came up with. I think it's pretty cool. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. If you're new, please consider subscribing. As for me, I'm going to the house. For Studio 214, I'm Greg. Thanks for watching.